What's up, folks? I'm Dave Underkoffler, editor-in-chief of Autolist.com, here with a first look of the all-new Volkswagen ID.Buzz all-electric minivan. Let's go show you the top things you're going to want to know about it.
Number 1, Powertrain. At launch, the ID.Buzz will have a single rear motor for rear-wheel drive at 282 horsepower, or dual motors, all-wheel drive, and 330 horsepower. Both will have a 91 kilowatt-hour battery pack mounted in the floor, and we'd bet that range, though it hasn't been announced, clocks in at around 260 miles. Number 2, its size. This US spec 3-row version of the ID.Buzz is a full 10 inches longer than the European model, which translates into more interior space and 3 rows of seats. The wheelbase is longer compared to other minivans on the market like the Chrysler Pacifica, Honda Odyssey, Toyota Sienna, and Kia Carnival. But overall, the ID.Buzz is about 10 inches shorter than those rivals and sits about 5 inches taller. Number 3, it comes with tons of standard goodies. This includes power front seats that are heated and cooled up front and offering massage and memory functions, second row seats that are heated, a heated steering wheel, a power tailgate, a 5.3-inch digital instrument panel, a 12.9-inch color infotainment system, plus there's this really cool and optional panoramic glass roof that turns from clear to opaque at the touch of a button. Number 4, there's a ton of storage and seating configurations available. Most models will seat 7, but you can opt for a second row captain's chair setup to make it a 6-seater. The second row seats are split 60/40 and fold flat, plus the seat backs recline another 16 degrees. What's more, the middle bench slides fore and aft by 8 inches, and it can be moved by 4 inches with just the pull of a handle.
All right, guys, here's the seat test. I'm 6'1", I'm sitting in the 3rd row. Tons of space here for legs, knees, and then there's still plenty of room for another one of me in the middle row. And of course, you've got that roof, pretty cool. Don't forget, there are USB-C ports all over this car or this van. So everywhere you sit, you're gonna be able to charge up your devices. All right, folks, there you have it, the top things to know about this all-new, all-electric Volkswagen ID.Buzz. So for reviews or listings of anything you're shopping for, new or used, be sure to check out Autolist.com. And before you go, like and subscribe to this channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. We'll see you out there.